Here's a trick on how to build formula using dollar signs without going through the complexity of having to understand each individual component. So in this example, what we want to do is we want to create a matrix which simply multiplies the selling price by the number of units. So in the first formula you can see it's equals to that times that. Now what you would normally do then is you'd have to go and create it for each one, because if you just copy and paste it without dollar signs, let's go over there, you'll see that it's looking at the wrong places. So a way to create with the dollar signs is once I've created the first version, I go down and across one, so diagonally opposite, and I say equals, and I create my formula again. That multiplied by that. Okay, now that I have that, I need to look at these two formula and see what is common about them. Where would we put the dollar signs? Now, tip or trick under formulas, I'm going to go to the show formulas button so that I can actually see the formulas. If you look at each individual component, you can see what is common and what is not. So for example, you can see that here we refer to C, here we refer to D. So we want those to move, no problem. If I look at the number now, there's a 3 there and there's a 3 here. So it looks like I need the 3 to stay the same. So I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of it. I now go to the next one. This one had a B, that one's got a B, so that looks like it must stay the same. So I'm going to go put a dollar sign in there. And if we look at the number, that's a 4 and that's a 5. So it looks like this is the correct formula. I'm going to copy it and paste it. And we're just going to switch off the show formulas so we can see our numbers. And what we now can do is we can test a few of these just to see that they are multiplying the correct cells together. And you can see that in all cases it always takes the appropriate selling price and multiplies it by the appropriate number of units.